Recording a chargeback in Guesty helps you organize your finances, keep owners updated, and make sure there's no more money owed by you or your guest. Since recording a chargeback is irreversible, it's highly recommended to add them only if you lost the dispute or decided not to object to it. Keep in mind, you can only add a chargeback to payments processed through Guesty. Payments that were processed outside of Guesty and then manually recorded cannot have chargebacks added to them. Start by choosing Financials mode, then Reservations, and then find the reservation that received the chargeback. Now click here to reach the reservations payment section, scroll down, and next to the payment that received the chargeback, click here and then click Record a Chargeback. In the pop-up, fill in the amount, the date, and the reason for the chargeback. You can also type in a note for any internal needs, and when done, click Record. Now, the balance due amount will be updated accordingly and the payment will be labeled a chargeback. You can also take a deeper look at the chargeback details by clicking here and then Disputes. Keep in mind, once the chargeback is added, the reservation's credit card will be marked as invalid and all pending auto payments will be blocked unless you add a new payment method to replace it. However, if you suspect fraud, it's recommended to cancel the reservation. If you want to learn more, feel free to continue browsing our help center. Thanks for watching.